Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my channel for all kinds of wire art and jewelry making tutorials and live streams. I had some special requests to make a paperclip ring with a bead, so I'm going to show you some new designs for paperclip rings. What you have to do, as always, is open up the paperclip, so you can just do it with your pliers, your flat pliers, gradually like that. Always better to go slowly. You can also do it just with your fingers, but to get the kinks out, you'll probably need to use some flat pliers. So just go ahead and open up your paper clip, and you can just smooth it out as you need it. So there's a couple of ways to do a bead ring. One is you can just take your bead and just slip it on the paper clip, and then you want to center it as best you can, and then just bend one side up and that side up, and yeah, try to make sure they're somewhat centered, and then just like give this a really good straight bend. Then you can get your round nose pliers and just stick them right in there and bend that out at an angle, and then this one too, just bend it out at an angle. So you just have the bead nestled in there, and then you're going to take your ring form and you want to hold it on the ring form and bend it around one way. So just bring those right around here, and then you can either clip these or you can just turn the ends. If you want to turn the end, just take your round pliers and bend it around like that. And then this one on this side, just bend it around, so that will be the back, and you can just pinch these in. And there you have your very simple little ring made with the paper clip, and it's nice and smooth at the back. So for this one, we're just going to bend it around the ring cone about one size smaller than what you need. So just bend it all the way around. If you don't have a ring cone, use a marker. So just pull that like nice and snugly. When you take it off the cone, it's going to bounce out a bit to be a little bit larger. And then what you want to do is just take this one at about there and bend it straight up. And then whatever the width of the bead is, we're just going to take that one and bend it straight up. Give it a little push. Then you want to bend it that way at the radius of the bead, so just about there. Same thing here at about the radius of the bead, so you have something that looks like that. And then we're going to put the bead on there, so we're just going to stick it on the longer side first, and then you're actually going to have to open this up and then stick it through there. So if you have to bend it a little bit on an angle so it'll go through there, just push it through, and then when it comes out the other side, just give it a little pull. You can hold the pliers on either side and give it a nice push there. Hold it out and just push that straight down so it goes down there. Now bring this one around. Just hold this bead like right back so there's no slack on the wire, and then just bend that right down. So you'll see it's being held on either side with that wire. And then you can actually just bend this up like that. And this side too. Just take this with your needle nose pliers and bend it up so it just curves around, and then we want to cut it flush in there. Take your cutters. Don't use your best cutters because it is steel, so just give it a little nip there, and then this one here, just cut it so it's flush in there, and then we can just poke these ends underneath so they're flush, and this one too, just poke it in underneath so it's flush, and it's going to hold nicely in place, and there you have your funky ring with a bead made out of a paper clip. So to make the ring with the two beads, just start the ring on a marker or a ring cone. Bring it around to a little smaller than the size you think you need. Just bring it all the way around and then remove it from the cone. Make sure it's about the size that you want. So we're going to bend it up about the same amount on both sides. So it looks like it's about 3/4 of an inch. You can measure it with a ruler if you like, just to get it perfectly even. From there, we're going to put on our bead. So just take this with your flat pliers and just bring it around. And then we're going to do the same on this side. So we'll just put it on there, hold it in place, and bring this wire around here. And then you can get your round nose pliers. If you want to just bring the end in to make a loop on the end, you could just finish it like that. There's many different ways you can finish it. You can clip the end off if you like, but if you want to do it this way, just take the end, roll it around, and then just push it in here. Just close up the loop. If you need help from your flat pliers, you can just pinch it in a little bit, and then you can just adjust these, one in there, and adjust this one in here, and there you have a funky ring. You can even bend this around more if you need it more curved. You can take your pliers to tighten up, put it to the smaller end of the ring cone and just push it in a little bit. And there you have your super cute paperclip ring with 2 beads. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.